Hey guys, how's it going? We're the NASA Globetrotters. I'm Rob Clarkson. This is Garth Gutenberg. This challenge was for the blue marble. It's just the two of us. We're two programmers. Seeing some amazing presentations up here today. Ours graphically is, well, you saw the last picture there. That's what we're pretty much capable of graphically. So we concentrate more on the data. So the challenge, the Blue Marble Challenge was that there's a lot of pictures taken of the Earth going back to the 60s, and they don't have any meta information on them of where they were taken, what the longitude, latitude was. So the challenge was to develop a way so that using crowdsourcing and or gamification to have people tag those photos. So we developed a game, or started developing a game anyway, where you could place imagery on top of the globe, and then using our tool, you would place it where you thought it was supposed to go, and on the back end, we do a comparison of the two images and using the Google Maps API and get a percentage match. And then for the gamification part, we thought, the first one to 1 million points would win a Rogers t-shirt, small size. Anyway, I'm going to hand it over to Garth here to explain the API and what we ended up doing here. So here you go.
So basically, you get your overlay image and you have your Google map, and you basically move your map around underneath it. You can change the opacity of the overlay so you can kind of place it and figure out where it goes. And then we use some fuzzy logic on the server to compare the different regions and give you a match percentage as how likely it is that that's the area. We also developed an API, REST API, that you can query the data set by latitude, longitude, partial geo name, partial feature name. Here's Canada, just 5 records from Canada. So that REST API is just pretty basic. And then, we just basically randomized grabbing images to see one which is obviously not going to match. You get 6% likelihood, and the red area here is, the differences, basically the deltas. So that's about it.
And so the plan was going forward that we planned to make this into a game where, well, we were thinking Facebook integration originally, but where people will be able to go and get points for matching images. It was a hard challenge in a way because the first data set we used had 240,000 images in it, and there's over 1 million taken. And again, a lot of those don't have any meta information associated with them, so trying to convince people to, that a game would be fun where you're placing images on top of a map was the most challenging part. But we think that it's fun, so maybe they will too. Anyway, thanks a lot.